Hello and thank you for watching 2carpros.com. In this video we are going to show you how to remove the rear door panel and how to replace a speaker in a 2007 to 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. Let's start with opening the rear door and using a plastic blade to remove the mounting clip, allowing you to remove the manual door lock. Then remove the two plastic covers, gaining access to the door panel's mounting hardware. Next, we are going to remove the door panel's window switch assembly and then disconnect it from the truck's factory wiring harness. Using a 10mm socket, remove the three mounting hardware bolts for the door panel assembly. Our next step is to separate the door panel from the door by pulling the panel away from the door. We like to start in the upper corner closest to the door's hinges. Then, with the loose door panel, rotate it clockwise, gaining access to the door handle release cable. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, release the cable's mounting clip, allowing you to remove the cable from the door panel. Using a 7mm socket, remove the mounting hardware for the speaker. Then remove the speaker from the truck's factory wiring harness. We are going to next build our speaker assembly with every part found on Amazon.com. We are going to use a wiring adapter so no cutting on the factory harness is needed, and we will be using a 6.5 speaker adapter made for this truck. Install the wiring harness adapter to the new speaker, and then using the hardware that came with the new speaker, mount the speaker to the 6.5 speaker adapter. Go over your new speaker assembly before installing it back to the door. Then connect the wiring adapter to the truck's factory wiring harness and install the speaker into the door using the 7mm mounting hardware bolt. If you would like to see how we dynamatted this door, please click the annotation to our video on how to install Dynamat. Our next step is to reinstall the door panel back to the door, reconnecting the door handle release cable, then rotate the door panel upright, making sure the manual door lock is through the door panel. It is a good idea to inspect the door panel's plastic mounting clips. If any are damaged, they will need to be replaced before reinstalling the door panel. Also, pull the truck's factory wiring harness through the door panel for the window switch. Making sure the door panel is installed correctly, apply pressure towards the door, installing the door panel mounting clips to the door. Reinstall the three 10mm mounting hardware bolts and replace the plastic covers for the mounting hardware. Our last couple of steps are to reinstall the window switch assembly to the truck's factory wiring harness and door panel. Then, with the truck in the unlock position, reinstall the manual door lock. Please click our subscribe button and like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching 2carpros.com.